Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the paper flower. Let's go! We need 4 orange and 4 yellow squares. Fold in half, unfold. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Turn over and fold the bottom corner to the upper one. Unfold. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Fold it using the creases. Open the right part and fold the edge to the center line. Close it. Open the left part and fold the edge to the center line. Unfold the corner and fold it inside. Close the left part. The module is completed. Fold 8 modules. Connect them together. Insert the corner into the pocket. Use glue for better fixation. If you want, you can make the same flower. The flower is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!